Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with chapter probability and statistics. The lessons we're going to cover today are make predictions, understanding probability, find the probability, mean, median, mod, and range. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I'm on grade 4 math. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is make predictions. We are on the chapter probability and statistics. Let's just start with the lesson that is make predictions. Okay, let's just start with the first example. You select a marble without looking and then put it back. If you do this 4 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times you will pick a purple marble? So just look at the marbles. We have 4 marbles, right? We we do not have any purple marble, isn't it? So how he will draw a purple marble? The correct option is 0 because we don't have any purple marble. So the correct option is 0. Got it? Start with the test questions. If you flip a coin 2 times, what is the best prediction possible? It will land on heads. So, which is the correct option? When you flip a coin, you have 2 options. Either it will land on head or either it will land on tail, right? So, you have total 2 outcomes. 1 out of 2 is the chance to get head, and 1 out of 2 is the chance to get the tail. Got it? In 2 times. So, you need to see 2 times head. You have to do 2 times 1/2, 1. So that means it is only one possibility that it will land on head. The correct option is 1. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to next one. If you flip a coin 10 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on head? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Can you guys please stop chatting? You guys are here to learn, so please focus on the learning. If you spin the spinner 6 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on blue, which is the correct option? Just look at the spinner, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the portions on the spinner, right? Only one of them is blue. So the probability for blue is 1 out of 6. And you did that 6 times, so you have to multiply it by the 6. That would be 6 by 6 equals 1. So there is only possibility that it land on blue, right? The correct option is 1. The correct option is 1. If you flip a coin 4 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on heads, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1. Only 2 chances it will land on heads. You select a marble without looking and put it back. If you do this 4 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times you will pick a yellow marble, which is the correct option? The correct option is you have only one marble yellow, right? And you did that 4 times. So 1 out of 4 equals 1. The correct option is 1. There is only one possibility, right? If you spin the spinner 9 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on yellow, which is the correct option? The correct option is 0 because you don't have any yellow portion over here, right? So the correct option is 0. You select a marble without looking, then you put it back. If you do this three times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on red? Which is the correct option? The correct option is two is the correct option. Can you guys please stop chatting? You select a marble without looking and then put it back. If you do this two times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times you will pick a yellow marble? Which is the correct option? The correct option is one. Option number two is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is understanding probability. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, on which color is the spinner less likely to land? Which is the correct option? Just look at the spinner. The spinner has two portions. The smaller portion is yellow, the greater one is green, right? So the one that has the less portion is the one where the spinner is less likely to land, right? So yellow has a portion, that means it will less likely to land on yellow. Got it? The correct option is it will less likely to land on yellow. Let's just start with the test questions. On which color is a spinner less likely to land? So which is the correct option? The spinner has two portions. One of them is yellow and the pink. Yes, it will less likely to land on pink. The correct option is pink. On which color is the spinner more likely to land? Which is the correct option? The correct option is it will more likely to land on green. The correct option is green. On which color is the spinner more likely to land? So, which is the correct option? It will more likely to land on pink because most of the portion is pink. The spinner less likely to land. So, which is the correct option? It will less likely to land on yellow. The correct option is yellow. On which color is the spinner less likely to land? Which is the correct option? It will less likely to land on yellow. Very good. The correct option is yellow. How likely is it that the spinner will land on yellow space? Which is the correct option? The correct option is the yellow. The spinner has two portions, green and yellow. It has the smaller yellow portion. So that means it will unlikely to land on yellow, right? The correct option is unlikely. How likely is that the spinner will land on blue space, which is the correct option? How likely is that the spinner will land on blue, which is the correct option? That is the certain because all of the portions are blue, so certainly it will land on blue. On which color is the spinner less likely to land? So, which is the correct option? It will less likely to land on blue. The correct option is blue. On which color is the spinner less likely to land? Pink or yellow? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yellow. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is find the probability. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. You guys can please focus on the lesson. Stop chatting. Now I'm going to block you all. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling a one, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 by 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. If you roll a coin, what is the probability it will land on heads, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 by 2. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling a 5? The correct option is 1 by 6. It is, right? The correct option is 1 over 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling a 6? That is 1 over 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is you flip a coin. Where could I put the title? Where do you want me to put the title? The correct option is 1 over 2. This is not the board. This is the screen I'm sharing. How can I write it the title over here? You can see the title, find the probability. That's the lesson name. Here it is. On the board, you can also find all the lessons name we are working on right now. I'm on the website right now. That's not the board. I cannot write on the board like on the website. It's 1 over 6. I can put on board, but I cannot put on the website like full time. I can write, then I have to remove and then switch to the next page. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling an odd numbers? Which is the correct option? The correct option is rolling an odd die is 1 over 2 because half of the numbers are odd and half of them are even, so that is half. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling an even number? So which is the correct option? If you roll a 6, that the probability for the even number is exactly half. 1 by 2 is the correct option. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling a 4? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 over 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is mean, median, mode, and range. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, what is the mean? How do we calculate the mean? For the mean, you have to add all the given numbers and then you have to divide by the number of numbers given. Like here you are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just add them all. 10 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1. That is 24 and divide it by the 6. So the mean, because they are 6 in number. So that would be 24 divided by 6 is 4. The correct option is 4. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the range? Which is the correct option? Range is the difference of the greatest and the smallest number. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 2. 2 take away 0 is 2. The correct option is 2. What is the median? Median is the number that divides the data into two exactly equal groups, right? You have to arrange them from least to greatest. Let me just arrange them, right? They are 1, 3, 3, 3, 6, sorry, 5, 6, and 8. So median is exactly the middle number before the median you have, and after the median you have exactly the same numbers, right? So the correct option is 3 is the median. The correct option is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? What is the mean, which is the correct option? The correct option is for the mean, you have to add them all, then you have to divide it by the 6. So, which is the correct option? Let me just add them all. 8 plus 7 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10. The correct option is 49. You have to divide them by the 7. So, the correct option is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the median, which is the correct option? The median is 6. The correct option is 6. You guys keep chatting. Why do you want to end me the session? You guys just keep making friends. What is the mod, which is the correct option? That is 0. The correct option is 0. What is the mean, which is the correct option? 4 it is. The correct option is 4. What is the range? Which is the correct option? That is the difference between the greatest and the smallest number in the given data. So which is the correct option? That is 6. The correct option is 6. What is the mod? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 6 it is. Okay, that's all for today. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we were working on is probability and statistics. The lessons we have covered today are make predictions, understanding probability, find the probability, and mean, median, modern range. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.